All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about where you can get your hands on a Tesla charger for your home or on the go. 1. Tesla Shop. The most reliable place to buy a Tesla charger is directly from Tesla's official website. Head over to the Tesla Shop and browse options like the wall connector, which is perfect for home charging. 2. Authorized retailers. You can also find Tesla chargers at authorized retailers like Amazon or specialty electronics stores. Just make sure the product is Tesla certified to avoid compatibility issues. 3. Tesla service centers. If you're near a Tesla service center, they often have chargers available for purchase. Plus, you can get expert advice on installation and compatibility. 4. Installation services. When you buy a Tesla wall connector, Tesla also offers a list of recommended electricians for a hassle-free installation. So whether it's through Tesla directly, online retailers, or a local service center, getting your Tesla charger is easier than ever. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.